I'm going to show how to unclog this drain using the Ridgid Power Spin Manual Drain Cleaner. This kit comes contained in a storage bag which consists of the Power Spin Drain Cleaner tool and a pair of gloves. If the gloves don't fit properly, then find a pair that will. It's actually recommended to use latex, rubber, or other liquid barrier gloves underneath leather gloves. I'm only using latex gloves due to my hand size, dexterity, and availability. This is the model of power spin tool that I will be using. Note its parts, which are labeled here for reference. Also note that this model of power spin has a thumb screw instead of a trigger. Begin by removing the protective wrap from the cable end. Then carefully remove the paper from the drum. On the back side of the paper, you will find the quick reference instructions. Before using, take a moment to familiarize yourself with how to operate this tool. Grasp the handle with one hand. Then loosen the thumb screw. This will allow the snake to be pulled out. Then tighten the thumb screw to secure the snake into place. The snake can now be spun by grasping the knob and turning the drum. Turn the drum clockwise when unclogging the drain. The cable end of the snake is called the auger head. Its function is to spin like a corkscrew, disrupting any material that causes the clog. To retract the snake, simply loosen the thumb screw and return the snake back into the tool by pushing it back in. Tighten the thumb screw once again before storing. When unclogging a bathtub, never try to go through the actual tub drain. This will damage the cable. Instead, remove the overflow plate to access the drain pipes. Here's a diagram showing the proper method. This overflow plate is pretty simple and only has one screw holding it in place. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the plate by unthreading this screw. Be sure to set the plate and screw aside in a safe place where it won't be lost. Next, grasp the power spin with one hand. Then loosen the thumb screw and withdraw the snake. Insert the auger head into the overflow drain and feed the snake in until you feel resistance. If the snake won't advance any further, it's either at a clog or at the curvature of a pipe, such as the P-trap. With 4 to 6 inches of the snake exposed, tighten the thumb screw and begin turning the drum clockwise while pushing into the drain. This should advance the snake further in. Then loosen the thumb screw again and expel 4 to 6 inches of the snake cable in this manner. Retighten the thumb screw again and begin turning the drum while pushing into the drain pipe. Repeat this process until you feel like the drain has been cleared. Then turn the water on to help flush any debris down the drain. Continue snaking if you feel like it's necessary. Once finished, turn the drum counterclockwise while pulling away from the drain. Then loosen the thumb screw and retract the snake back into the drum. Store with the fully retracted snake and a tightened thumb screw. And finally, run the water one more time to make sure the drain is completely open. Once satisfied, secure the overflow plate back into place with the screw. Tighten using the flathead screwdriver. The bathtub is now ready to use.